Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know I am too late to this channel to post a video. This video I am going to create a simple makeup look. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you relate to this video or if you are using any of this product, just do let me know. So I have already prepped my face. I have applied moisturizer Nivea. So for winter, this is the best moisturizer ever since I have been using in my winter. Since I have a too dry skin, so Nivea is a good. You can see the sheer glow also in my face. I'm with my bare face right now. So now I'm going to prep my lips with Nivea moisturizer cream. So now you guys can see the pigmentation on my mouth around area, and I have a dark circle. Also some pimple marks on my skin, and also I have some open pores problems too. So what I do is, I am not much into the makeup, but I also love to do a makeup. So not much heavy makeup, but I do a neutral makeup. So today I'm going to show you the same thing. So I will begin with Lakme Absolute Mousse. I am in the shade Golden Medium. मेरे चैनल पे ऑलरेडी इसका डिटेल रिव्यू है, आप जाके देख सकते हैं if you are using this product or if you want to use this product. For me guys, this is working like miracle. So what I am just dipping my fingers in and I will spot correct my pigmentation area and the acne spot with this mousse only for my routine makeup. I don't go with much detailing of the makeup since I'm not heavy makeup lover. So I use fingers as a best application tool. ज़्यादातर हमारे sometimes to apply more makeup or sometimes to use a proper method in detail for a day-to-day life. So I also fall into the same category of the people. So I feel my fingers are the as I said, best applicator tool. So this is my base looks like after the application of the Lakme Absolute Mousse, and I find this is a perfect. Now I will apply. I'm going to use this Faces Canada compact powder. This is with SPF 20, vitamin E and shea butter. Let me know guys if you want a detailed review video on this compact. For me this is working like really magic. This is very budget friendly and raging. Like this. surely apply all over on my face. So the area where I have set compact powder in the beginning, I will let it set for a while. I apply the all over area. So not much longer, but yeah, you will have to tap on the excess product from your brush and then apply the product. Otherwise you will end up having a lot of product on your face, guys, and your face will look extra cakey. And I'm going to use this color right here, and I will mix this color so that I will get a natural eyeshadow. This I'm going to apply on my crease, and I will slowly build my eyeshadow with this color. You guys can see how beautiful this color is. The first crease color is giving me a beautiful natural and sheer second eye, and I'm going to apply this from outer line and outer line to inner corner. You can also have and your eye makeup with the same step, and you can just apply eyeliner if you want and mascara if you want. I really do not apply mascara on day-to-day routine, but sometimes a while, depends on the mood. Sometimes if I feel fantasy, I will definitely apply my mascara also, and sometimes the eyeliner. So today I am going to make my look complete with the eyeliner. So I will tell you once I will finish my look with the another eyeshadow. I will pat this product to the center of my eyes like this, and I will blend it from inside to outside. That's it, guys. If you want, you can also drag towards the crease line, but do not take the product, the dark color, above the crease line, or else it will look very cheap and not good, yeah. So again, I'm going to take the same color, tap on the excess, and place the same on my second eyes, and I will start blending from outside to inner corner and inner corner to outer corner of my eyes. So that's how. Now if you guys can see, I am not overdoing the product blending above the crease line. So what I am doing is I am just defining the crease line and blending the products. So I have very lightly used a blending method of this dark color to inner corner. So I want my inner corner to shine and open my eyes. Now I'm just defining. So now I will again pick up this product which I used to define my crease. A very small amount of product, tap on the excess, and again I will place to inner corner and I blend it with the whole eye look. Now what will happen if you have ever overdone a dark color placing on your eyes, this color will overcome your mistake in the makeup. So now you can see this is the eye look. Eyeliner from NY Bay. Now since I have a good eyebrow, I'm not going to do anything for my eyebrow at present because I do not feel it. What I will do is I will just set my eyebrow with this brush. I will comb the hair of my eyebrow with this brush and it's done. So I'm using just little bit of this highlighter just because for you guys I do not use highlighter on daily routine makeup, but since I'm making this tutorial for you guys and just for you to as you guys can see, I have a very poor lashes, but still I do not feel applying a mascara as of now, since I said that I love to apply a mascara, but I do not apply that on routine basis because it is not necessary much, right? So yeah, I'm going to leave it my lashes just like that. So I quickly now apply a kajal to my eyes, lipstick. And for kajal I'm using L'Oreal Paris, this dry kajal. So this is what I have been using since many years. Guys, it's too expensive, but trust me, this is a so beautiful kohl. They have mentioned here, the brand has mentioned here is a kohl miracle. It comes with the mineral water liner, mineral powder liner, blah, 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 blah. Okay, anyways, I'm not good in pronouncing the ingredients. So what I am going to, this is a dry kajal and this is how you will have to pick up the product. So let me know if you want a review on this kajal, I will make it for you. So what I am going to put up this kajal, you will get a brush applicator with the kajal. And I will place it, I will close my eyes and run the brush through my waterline. Using Bella Veste The number of the shade is 21 Glam Charm. So this is how my makeup completes, guys. I will quickly finish this look and come back to you. So this is my final look, guys. I hope you like this look. So if you like this look and if you relate to any of part of this video, do let me know in the comment box below. And if you are also willing to me to make a full review of any of the product that I mentioned here in this video, I will certainly make a video according to your request. Also, I will mention all the product which I used to create this look in the description box below. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you like. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification button so that every time I upload a new video you will be notified. Also comment down below, let me know your reactions, your suggestions and your recommendation. I hope you guys are safe and happy. Love you guys. See you in my next video. Take care.